Hi, welcome back. I'm Ron the Cook, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cocktail for Easter. I'm calling this cocktail the Easter Gin Blossoms. For it, we'll be needing Brucato Amaro Chaparral. This has yerba santa, anise, cardamom, and sage in it. This is kind of like a yellow chartreuse substitute. It's not exact, but it's very close. In a cocktail, you can barely tell the difference. Even on its own, you can barely tell the difference. It's 46%, so it is quite hot. Next up, we have London Dry Gin from Ford's. This is an amazing gin for cocktails. You need this in your home bar. They're gonna be using some hibiscus water, rose water, and lavender water. I know there's a lot of bartenders out there just shaking their head at this. We're using such small amounts. I want this to taste like a bouquet of flowers in your mouth, in a good way. Some fresh lemon juice, some saline, and this is our foaming super syrup. So this is our simple syrup and our foaming agent all in one. Link in the bio on how to make it. All right, enough talk, let's make our cocktail. All right, we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of our Ford's gin. Go with a 1/2 ounce of our Brucato Amaro. And you get better at that. So that is 50 milliliters of our gin and 15 milliliters of our Brucato. Next up, we've got 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of our foaming syrup. We got a 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of our fresh lemon juice. For our waters, we're gonna go 2 dashes each. So these are the smaller Japanese style dashers, so they don't give out as much liquid as your standard bottles. So 1, 2. Then we have our hibiscus water. 1, 2. And our lavender water. 1, 2. Saline. Go with 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ice. My hair is a little wild today. And shake. So I'm doing a reverse dry shake. Dump our ice. Pour our cocktail back in. Cap it and shake. About 10 seconds. In that much time, you can click the subscribe button. Now my chilled coupe. Got some fresh Meyer lemons here. Get a nice big peel. And squeeze. Ooh yeah, lots of oils. This is in the format of a gin sour. Smells very light, very refreshing. Smells very spring. All the flower waters mixing together give it this just beautiful, like I said before, a bouquet of flowers. It smells like springtime. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's dangerous, yeah. Very dangerous because it's so easy to drink. You don't get any one flower taste in there. You don't taste the lavender, the rose, or the hibiscus. You just taste flowers. Very floral flavor to it. It's also quite boozy in Booze Ford. The gin comes through. Ford's is an amazing cocktail gin. So you get all of those beautiful aromatic flavors from the gin, all the botanicals, and then the Amaro really accents everything and rounds it out. Also gives us a nice little yellow color. I am proud of that one. That is good. Full recipe for this cocktail down below, and if you want to get the foaming super syrup recipe, click on that button right there. And cheers to you, and happy Easter.